Hello guys, I am going to show you a tutorial on a very simple anniversary card. So let us begin. The materials required are pastel sheets, scissor, scale, pencil, glue, sketch pen. Take a pastel sheet of dimensions 30 into 20 centimeters and fold it into half. Now trace a heart on the upper side of this card cover. Cut few small hearts. Fold these hearts from the middle portion. And paste them only from the middle. Do not paste the wings of these hearts. We will paste these hearts to cover the boundary of the bigger heart. When the boundary is done, now we will paste these hearts in the middle portion too. And we will fill this heart completely with these small hearts. Paste a 1 cm broad strip at some distance below this heart. Cut the letters of the anniversary month and paste them above the strip. Draw few lines below the strip at 1 cm distances. Make the calendar of the anniversary month here. not write the anniversary date and leave the gap. Erase the pencil marks. Now paste the small heart at the gap which was left for the anniversary date. Card is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.